Dream: Digital Readiness Empowering Ambitious Middle-Aged Women Entrepreneurs, co-founded by the European Union. Be Dream, Become Digital. Module 1: First Steps in Digital Marketing, developed by FME for the tailored curriculum of the Erasmus Plus project, co-funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the State Scholarships Foundation (IKI). Neither the European Union nor IKI can be held responsible for them. What will be learned? We will learn to define a brand identity, create coherent messages, establish a reliable online image, a logo, a logotype, or a brand image, as a strategy to connect with customers. What will be learned in this module? Definition of brand identity. What is a CRM? Main digital marketing strategies. SEO on-page and off-page techniques. E-commerce and online payments. Define brand identity. The objective is to learn how to create a professional, creative, and enduring brand identity, understand the elements that make up this graphic image, and the reasons for each one for a complete corporate image. Defined brand identity. What is it? Brand identity is the set of visual, emotional, and communicative attributes that represent the essence of a brand. It defines how you want your brand to be perceived by the public, and it is composed of tangible and intangible elements. The brand components include the logo or the logotype, which is a graphic elements that identify your brand. They should be simple, original, and striking. Colors and typography are also brand components that they reflect your brand's personality. They should be consistent across all channels. Also, the values are brand components as well, fundamental principles that guide your brand and connect emotionally with your audience. Creating slogans like Be Dream, Become Digitals. What are they? They are phrases that encapsulate the brand's essence and purpose. They should be clear, compelling, and memorable. Importance. Consistent messaging ensures that customers really identify your company's voice and values. Establish a well-communicative, competitive, and trustworthy image. Professional design. It should have intuitive, fast, and mobile-friendly website. Transparency. Share clear information about your brand, products, and services. Social media. Maintain a consistent visual style and tone of communication across all platforms. What is a CRM? Tools to automate data processes. The objective is to learn basic concepts about CRM, customer relationship management, and email marketing. Introduction to tools that facilitate process automation and the creation of effective email campaigns. What is a CRM? It is customer relationship management, strategy and technology for managing relationships with customers and leads. It organizes information, improves communication, and automates tasks such as email tracking. Tools: Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho CRM are some popular options for managing contacts. Email communication. Importance: Effective and cost-effective tool for maintaining direct communication with customers. Tools: Mailchimp, Constant Contact, and ActiveCampaign are popular options for email marketing. Strategies: Audience segmentation, compelling subject lines, and visually appealing email design. Main strategies for email marketing campaigns. Audience segmentation. Divide your database into groups based on interest, purchasing behavior, or demographics to send more relevant messages. Compelling subject lines. Write subject lines that spark interest and encourage the recipient to open the email. Email design. Make sure the design is visually appealing with a clear call to action and functional links. Digital marketing strategies, call to action, tips and techniques. The objective is to learn the basics of digital marketing and how to implement call-to-action strategies to increase customer engagement and conversion. Also, learn how to create effective digital marketing plans tailored to different types of businesses. Call to action. An effective CTA transforms visitors into interested customers or leads. The elements that you need to include are a strategic location at the top, middle, and bottom of the page. Urgency encourages immediate action. Attractive design, colors that stand out and have good contrast. Clarity, direct and easy to understand the message. Introduction to digital marketing and its role in online business. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way companies interact with their customers. By integrating with technological tools, it allows them to reach global audiences, measure the impact of strategies, and adjust them in real time, advantages that don't offer the traditional methods. Some definitions and key concepts. Digital marketing. It is the use of digital channels to promote products or services. Online businesses. They are companies that operate wholly or partially in the digital environment, including e-commerce, SaaS, and more. Differences with traditional marketing. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to promote products or services, allowing companies to reach global audiences in an effective and measurable way. While traditional marketing has a local, regional reach, digital marketing is global. Measuring traditional marketing is difficult to calculate ROI, while digital marketing offers real-time results. Traditional marketing is expensive, while digital marketing is scalable. It increases visibility, improves customer experience, allows for audience segmentation, personalized messages, and offers a high return on investment compared to traditional methods. Now let's see the following table. The reach in traditional marketing is local or regional. VS in the digital marketing is global. The measurement in the traditional marketing it is difficult, while in the digital marketing we have real-time results. The costs in the traditional marketing are high, while in the digital marketing they are scalable depending on the channel. Digital marketing key channels: SEO, search engine optimization, optimization to appear in the top results on Google organically, improving visibility without direct cost per click. SEM, search engine marketing. Paid search engine campaigns, such as Google Ads, allow you to quickly rank for specific terms. Social media marketing. Advertising and content on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, taking advantage of their targeting capabilities. Email marketing and content marketing. Customize campaigns to retain or convert customers and create value through blogs, videos, and guides. Main digital marketing strategies. Content marketing. Create and distribute useful and relevant content to attract and retain customers. Examples include blog posts, video tutorials, and downloadable guides. Useful tools include Canva for design, Grammarly, or AI for proofreading. Social media: generate engagement, increase followers, and promote products. Practical tip: post during hours when your audience is most active to maximize reach and interaction. Digital advertising: using paid campaigns to increase visibility and web traffic. Key metric CTR, click-through rate, includes SEM and social media ads to quickly increase visibility. Retargeting: reach users who have visited your website but haven't converted. Example: showing personalized ads based on previously viewed products. Measuring digital marketing strategy. Define SMART goals. A good plan starts with clear objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example: increase sales by 20% in the next 6 months. Analyze the competition. Identify what others are doing well to gain inspiration and differentiate yourself. Study their strategies, content, and strengths to find opportunities. Know the target audience. Create a buyer persona that represents the ideal customer, including their demographics, interests, behaviors, and specific needs. Select channels and measure results. Decide which platforms to focus your sources on and set KPIs to measure results: web traffic, conversion rate, ROI. Call to action techniques. What is a CTA? A CTA is an invitation to take action, such as subscribing to a newsletter, purchasing a product, or downloading a resource. An effective CTA transforms visitors into customers or interested leads, guiding them towards the desired conversion. Characteristics of a CTA: clarity. The message should be direct and easy to understand, making the benefit clear. Attractive design. Use popping colors, appropriate sizes, and good contrast. Urgency. Messages that encourage immediate action. Strategic placement on the page. Most used CTAs. Conversion CTAs, like buy now, sign up for free. Engagement CTAs. Read more, find out how. And lastly, the urgency CTAs, for a limited time only. Each type serves a specific person in the conversion funnel. Advanced techniques CTA. A/B testing. Test different versions of your CTA to see which one generates more conversions. For example, download our guide vs discover the secrets to success. This technique allows you to continuously optimize based on real behavioral data. Dynamic personalization. Use tools that tailor content based on a user's location or history. Personalized CTAs can significantly increase conversion rates by displaying relevant offers for each visitor. Strategic location. Place CTAs in the header, middle, and the bottom of your website. Proper layout ensures that users find the conversion opportunities at different points throughout their journey. Optimize design. Use buttons that contrast with the background and include icons or arrows that draw attention. Visual design plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of a CTA, drawing the user's attention to key elements. Model for creating effective digital marketing plans. 1. Initial analysis. Perform a SWOT analysis to identify strengths, opportunities, weaknesses, and threats. 2. Define objectives. Set SMART goals aligned with business objectives. 3. Segmentation and selection. Research your audience and select most appropriate channels. 4. Implementation. Create content calendars and distribute responsibilities. 5. Measurement and adjustment. Define KPIs to perform periodic analysis to optimize strategies. Sales strategies, importance, and how to improve website visibility. The objective is to understand why sales strategies are essential for attracting organic traffic and improving website ranking. Learn how to optimize a website to appear at the top of results on Google and other search engines. Why is SEO important? Organic traffic, visitors who come to your website without paying per click, generate a steady stream of long-term users. Credibility, high-ranked pages are seen as more trustworthy. Google rewards useful, high-quality content. High ROI, it's profitable in the long run. Once positioned, traffic arrives constantly without paying for it constantly. Example: a fashion blog. A SEO-optimized fashion trend article can receive traffic for months or years after publication. In a health blog, if you appear on the first page of Google, users trust your information more than lower-ranked sites. Optimized content. By investing time in creating SEO content, visitors will arrive without having to spend money on monthly advertising. The credibility and authority of SEO. It has high speed. A fast site improves the experience and reduces user embarrassment. Navigation. Clear structure so visitors can easily find what they're looking for. Responsive. Adaptable to all devices for an optimal experience. High ROI. SEO is one of the most cost-effective ways to attract long-term traffic. While it may take time, weeks or months to see results, once your website starts ranking well, traffic will continue to flow steadily without the need to continually pay, as is the case with paid advertising. Compared to other marketing strategies such as pay-per-click advertising, organic traffic has a high return on investment (ROI), as the costs of maintaining a sales strategy are lower over long term. Example: if you invest time in creating SEO-optimized content, your visitors will arrive organically without having to spend money on advertising every month. On-page and off-page SEO techniques. SEO strategies are divided into two broad areas. Both are essential for improving your website's ranking and search results. On-page SEO optimizations within your own website. This includes keywords, titles, content, and technical structure. Off-page SEO off-site actions that affect your rankings, mainly inbound links and social media presence. On-page SEO keywords. On-page SEO refers to all the optimization actions you perform within your own website. Here we explain the main on-page optimization techniques. Investigation. Identify relevant terms with tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Selection. Choose words with high search volume and low competition. Implementation. Place them in titles, descriptions, headings, content, and URLs. Analysis. Evaluate results and adjust strategy based on performance. Strategic use. Place these keywords in strategic locations on your page, such as in page titles, meta descriptions, heading, content, and URLs. Don't overuse keywords, called keyword stuffing, but spread them naturally. Examples: shoe store, buy shoes online, women's shoes, seasonal shoes, recipe blog, healthy dinner recipes, easy desserts, homemade fast food, travel agency, travel deals, family vacations, cheap tourist destinations. Title and description optimization. Titles and meta descriptions are essential for SEO. They should include relevant keywords and grab users' attention in search results. Make sure each page has a unique and compelling titles and descriptions. The following pyramid is an example. Title. It should be the primary keyword. Subtitles, secondary keywords. First paragraphs, natural variations. Rest of the content, related terms, URLs and meta descriptions, concise keywords. Examples: your product page lead title could be women's shoes, latest season collection, and then your brand. URL structure. SEO-friendly URLs are simple and descriptive. They should contain words and be easy to read for both users and search engines. Examples: www.yourbrand.com/women's shoes/ instead of www.yourbrand.com /p12345. Image optimization. Images are an important part of any website, but they can also affect loading speed. Google favors fast sites, so optimizing images is crucial. Size. Compress images so that they aren't too large and slow down page loading. Alt text. Use the alt attribute to describe images. Not only helps search engines understand the content of the images, but also improves accessibility. Example: an image of a plate of food should have alt text like healthy avocado and tomato salad to help search engines identify it correctly. Loading speed. Loading speed is a crucial ranking factor for Google. Users quickly abandon sites that take a long time to load, which impacts both user experience and rankings. How to improve it? Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze your site's loading speed and get suggestions for improvement. Reducing image sizes, minimizing unnecessary scripts, and using fast hosting are good practices. SEO off-page. What is it? Activities outside your website that improve your ranking. Importance. Influences authority and visibility through external links. Goal. Increase Google's trust in your website. Backlinks, the key to off-page SEO, quality over quantity. Links from relevant authoritative sites are worth more than any low-quality links. Effective strategies. Create useful content like infographics or guides. Collaborate with other websites. How to improve it. A link from a popular fashion blog to your shoe store is very valuable. Backlinks, the key to off-page SEO, visibility. Increase brand presence and attract natural links, interaction. Shared content generates more chances of getting backlinks. Traffic, it generates visits to your website even if it doesn't directly affect SEO. How to improve it? If a popular fashion blog mentions your shoe store and links it to your site, this backlink will be very valuable. Social networks. Although direct links from social media don't directly affect SEO, sharing content on social platforms can drive traffic to your website. Additionally, having an active social media presence can increase your brand's visibility and attract natural links. Furthermore, shared social content can be indexed by Google if it links back to your website. Social engagement. The more your content is shared on social media, the more likely it is that other websites or blogs will link to it. Social media also helps increase your brand authority and improve its overall visibility. How to improve it? If your fashion business shares interesting and useful content on Instagram or Facebook, it can attract both new users and links from other fashion-related websites. E-commerce and online payments. The objective is to understand how to design and manage an e-commerce store and learn the main e-commerce platforms and payment gateways to offer a secure and efficient shopping experience. E-commerce design, organic traffic. Visitors who come to your website without paying per click. Generate a steady stream of long-term users. Credibility. High-ranked pages are seen as more trustworthy. Google rewards useful, high-quality content. High ROI. It's profitable in the long run. Once you're positioned, traffic arrives constantly without paying for it. E-commerce platforms, Shopify, ideal for beginners, easy to use with customized templates, includes 24/7 support. WooCommerce, perfect if you already use WordPress, great flexibility but requires more technical knowledge. PrestaShop, free open source platform, simple interface with extensive features. BigCommerce, for medium-sized businesses, advanced features but a steeper learning curve. Some keys to e-commerce include attractive design, professional appearance that attracts users due to its aesthetics and functionality, intuitive navigation, clear menu and well-defined categories, simple purchasing process, mobile optimization. More than 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Simple purchase process, easy to use shopping cart and quick checkout. Payment gateway management. What are they? They are tools that authorize electronic payments securely. They validate data, authorize payments, and transfer money securely. They use SSL protocols to protect sensitive information. Lastly, some popular payment gateways are PayPal, easy integration and very popular, high security and international acceptance. Stripe, ideal for card payments, flexible and customizable for technology companies. Mercado Pago, popular in Latin America, allows processing of payments in various local currencies. Thank you for your attention.